Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, VS Code and a local runtime or simple files. Open your project folder now so files are accessible. Install the live server or live preview extension. This gives you an editor rendering. Once installed, reload VS Code, then open your primary HTML file. Make sure file paths for CSS and JS are correct. This prevents initial 404s. Now you're ready to launch the preview with the Extensions button or Command palette. Once the extension is active, launch the preview either to the side or in a browser. Use the Command palette for precision. Configure settings. JSON to set port, server root, and enable auto-save so file edits refresh automatically. Map source files if your build uses folders or a bundler. That ensures correct live updates. If you use a framework, start its dev server and point the preview to that URL. Make sure DevTools is open for console and network feedback as you edit. To finalize, perform incremental edits and save. Confirm the preview updates instantly. If things go wrong, diagnose quickly. Open DevTools, check console errors, confirm the dev server is running on the configured port, and verify file paths and CORS policies. Make sure auto-save or file watch is enabled so changes trigger reloads. For team projects, add workspace settings for consistent ports and commands. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the extension or VS Code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.